RangeRoller for multi-layer massage therapy with trigger treads, an advancement in massage therapy rollers that engages both the upper and lower layers of muscle and connective tissue. When using your RangeRoller, there are a few general instructions and key techniques that will ensure you receive the most effective deep tissue massage. Warm up before rolling. Relax muscles before rolling. This can be accomplished by sitting on a chair or bench, or even on the floor. Slow and steady rolling. Generally, you will get the best results with slow, steady rolls across relaxed muscles. Adjust firmness as needed. Roll the RangeRoller forward and backwards with both hands, applying pressure as desired. Roll 20 times. Generally, 20 rolls of the RangeRoller in any one spot are sufficient. Use on skin or clothing. Roll more gently over bare skin and be conscious of excess hair surrounding the trigger treads. The windshield wiper. The wiper blade motion is accomplished by holding one handle stationary and then moving the other handle over the muscle. This motion is similar to that of a car windshield wiper blade. This method works very well on the back, as well as the hamstrings and IT band. Trigger point pressure. Use the end of the handles to pinpoint hard to reach or deep trigger point areas. This will release the tension in trigger points or knots within your muscles. Roll with trigger treads. Focus the trigger treads over problem areas to receive a deeper massage. Like a train aligns with rail tracks, align the trigger treads in order to knead out tension, soreness, or knots. Warning: do not roll directly over bones or highly sensitive areas. If you feel sharp or overwhelming pain, stop rolling immediately and visit your doctor. Now, let's take a look at the RangeRoller. When getting started, select the desired product based on personal preference of length and/or product stiffness. And then, position yourself so that the target area of focus is relaxed and exposed. Depending on your personal need, you may choose one or all of the following exercises. Each exercise should consist of 20 strokes on the selected area, lasting about 30 seconds. Roll the RangeRoller along the sides of your neck. Turning your head slightly in the opposite direction or away from your selected area will help expose the selected area, optimizing your neck massage. Anchoring the product with one hand, roll the RangeRoller from the bottom edge of your neck to the outer edge of your shoulder with the other hand, making a wiper blade motion, slightly stretching your neck to the opposite side you are working on. These relieve neck tightness, shoulder stiffness, and increase muscle mobility and function. Roll the RangeRoller horizontally across the posterior or back side of your rib cage and vertically along the sides of your spine. Anchoring the product on either side of your back and the crevice of your elbow can help you roll hard to reach areas. This relaxes muscle and soft tissue tightness, increases flexibility, mobility, and range of motion. To reach the lower back, roll the RangeRoller horizontally or vertically across the lower back and upper buttock region, along the spinal column, and to areas between the ribs and hip bone. This decreases muscle tightness and soft tissue restrictions, increases trunk rotation, flexibility, and mobility. Roll the RangeRoller horizontally along the length of the outside of your thigh, starting at your hip to just above your knee. Try both a rolling and wiper blade motion to determine preferred results. This decreases the tightness in the iliotibial band, reducing tension at its insertion in the lateral or outside area of the knee, increases the flexibility of hip and knee joints, and increases the range of motion. To reach the hip flexor, roll the RangeRoller between the bottom of your hip and the top of your thigh, slightly towards the outer part of your pelvic region, adjusting the angle of your RangeRoller as necessary. This improves mobility, reduces pain and inflammation in hip joints and lower back, and releases restricted muscle tissue. Roll the RangeRoller horizontally along the length of the front side of your thigh, starting at your hip to just above the knee. This increases circulation while decreasing muscle tightness, increases flexibility, and improves mobility and function. Roll the RangeRoller horizontally along the length of the backside of your thigh, starting at the base of your buttocks to just below the back of your knee. Try both a rolling and wiper blade motion to determine preferred results. This increases flexibility, mobility, and function, reduces pull on the knees, hips, and calves, giving relief to glutes and lower back. To reach the calf and Achilles, roll the RangeRoller horizontally along the length of the backside of your calf, the lower leg below your knee. Start just below the back of your knee and roll down to your heel bone. Begin on one side of the calf and roll your way to the opposite side of the calf muscles. This reduces the calf tension, increases flexibility, stimulates circulation, and warms muscles. Roll the RangeRoller vertically along the soft tissue on the inside or outside edge of your shin bone or tibia. Be sure to avoid directly rolling over the shin bone. This promotes flexibility and eases the pain of shin splints. Roll the RangeRoller over desired areas on biceps or triceps. This increases circulation while decreasing soft tissue muscle tightness, increases flexibility, improves mobility and function. Rolling the upper arm also relieves pain caused by biceps and triceps tendinitis. Roll the RangeRoller horizontally over the tight area or entire forearm. You can also anchor the product between the thighs to increase tension when rolling. This increases circulation to expedite the healing process, decreasing forearm tightness. This also helps relieve pain caused by tennis or golfer's elbow, also known as epicondylitis, by relaxing muscles and soft tissue structures, decreasing tension to the elbow joint. For more information about the RangeRoller massage therapy line, visit Medi-Dyne.com. That's Medi-Dyne.com.